Here I've got XIAOMI Redmi 5 and let me show you how to find IMEI number on the following device. So we will go through two methods. Let's start with the quicker one. At first you have to open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, here are your IMEI numbers. Just tap on OK to go back. And now we will go to the second method. So from your home screen, select the settings. And now just tap on About Phone, it's the first icon. Here you can simply select status, so it's under kernel version. So one more time. And now under IMEI information, you will find those numbers. And just let's go back. And over here, just under Bluetooth address, here you've got the serial number of your device. So that's it. Now you can easily find your IMEI number. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.